Hello students, this is Savita Yadav and today I am going to teach you A Thing of Beauty by John Keats. So if you don't have your book along with you, children, just take your book with you so that you can understand it in a better way, line by line. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness. So as we all know that a thing of beauty is a joy forever and it never decreases. It's everlasting and it keeps on increasing. But will keep a bower quiet for us and a sleep full of sweet dreams. Bower is a shade, and in that bower, under the shade, if we sleep, what happens? We will get a sweet dream. And with the help of that sweet dream, we'll have a very good health. And when we have a good health, that means we can breathe properly and we can live a very happy life. Therefore, in every morrow. So, to bind us to the earth, to attach ourselves to the earth, what we do every morning. So, therefore, on every morrow, morrow is the following morning, the following day. What are we doing? We are wreathing. Wreathing means encircling. We are encircling a flowery band to bind us to the earth. That means we need to attach ourselves with the earth and we are encircling that flowers. So what are we taking along with us? We are taking the flowers that is also natural and that is God made, and that is the beautiful thing on earth which we are taking every morning to bind us with the earth. A flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence of the inhuman dearth. Now in the next few lines, what we are going to explain, the poet has explained regarding the unhappiness which is encircling the human beings. So what are the different kinds of inhuman dearth, that is what are we lacking in noble nature? Spite of despondence of the inhuman dearth of noble natures of the gloomy days. So we are lacking noble nature, we are lacking good nature, we are lacking happiness. That is why we all are very disappointed, we all are sad, we all are gloomy. Of all the unhealthy and over darkened ways. Because of this, of all the unhealthy and over darkened ways, we are not at all happy in our life. Because we are lacking, we do not have good nature in our lives. So made for our searching, yes. In spite of all, so what are we searching? We are searching good deeds. We are searching natural things. We are searching beautiful things on this earth. So these beautiful things. So spite of despondence, the meaning of spite is malice. Despondence is disappointment. So what do we have in our lives? We have malice, we have disappointment in our lives because of our inhumane nature. So of all noble natures of the gloomy days again is the unhappiness, the sadness in our lives. Of all the healthy, unhealthy and over darkened ways. Made for our searching, yes, in spite of all. So in spite of all these bad nature of the human beings, some shape of beauty moves away the pall. Pall is the covering. Okay. So moves away the pall from our dark spirits. Whatever unhappiness, whatever sadness we are having in our life, the beautiful things, they remove all these things. Such the sun. Now the names of the beautiful things are being described over here. The sun, the moon, trees, old and young, sprouting a shady boon. Again, boon is the blessings of life. For simple sheep here are the living beings. Okay, sheep has been described as a living being, and such are daffodils. Daffodils are the beautiful and very vibrant flowers which grow in the forest. With the green world they live in. The green world again is the forest, the jungle where these flowers they grow. And clear rills are the small stream, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं छोटी छोटी सरिताएं, that for themselves a cooling covert. So clear rills we find in the forest, and that is why during the hot months these clear rills they help us to quench the thirst. Against the hot season, Then we have the mid-forest brake. The mid-forest brake are your thickets in the jungle. They are rich with sprinkling of fair and musk rose blooms. So again, the musk rose blooms are the wildflowers which are blooming in the forest. And such too is the grandeur of the dooms we have imagined for the mighty dead. So here mighty dead are ancestors. The grandeur of the mighty dead means that the grandeur of the mighty dead lies in their noble deeds. Okay, they have left behind a very beautiful legacy of their brave acts, their selfless sacrifice for their nation, and deeds for the welfare of the mankind has been described as the mighty dead and the grandeur of the dooms. All lovely tales that we have heard or read. So we have heard and read the lovely tales about the mighty dead. So mighty dead are our ancestors, the warriors. An endless fountain of immortal drink. So immortal drink is an elixir of life pouring onto us. That means they are pouring onto us from the heaven's spring, from the heaven's surface. Thank you.